Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a general reading for Aries from 16th to 31st of May. Let's see what do the cards have for us. So we'll take out 3 cards, basically seeing what are the challenges that you might come across, what is the guidance on how you can overcome these challenges, and what will be the probable outcome. This is a general reading, guys, so please see how it resonates, take what it resonates, and you can leave the rest. So let's see what do the cards have for Aries, what's coming in, what's the energy, what challenges that Aries might come across from 16th to 31st of May. Okay. Alright. What is the guidance here? Okay. Alright. What is the probable outcome? What's the probable outcome? What's probable outcome for Aries? Alright. So bottom of the deck we have 6 of cups. So right now there may be situation where you might be revisiting the old time, or you are kind of re-looking at the old pictures, kind of reunion with the old friends or colleagues. Basically you might also visit some of the old places where you used to hang out with your loved ones or with the special person, and you are kind of replaying the same old memories. That is at the shadow. Okay, let's see what is the obstacle. So I think you are mainly keeping yourself busy at your work so that you do not get enough time to look into what is running at an emotional level, okay, in your mind and in your heart, what is basically kind of going. So you're kind of somewhere keeping yourself busy that I don't have time for emotional things, I don't have time to focus on my emotions, or kind of to fall in love or to be loved, or basically taking care of yourself as well for some of you. So you're kind of somewhere keeping yourself busy, trying to keep yourself grounded, but not taking care of your emotions. That is the challenge I think you're facing. The guidance here is that do not give up, okay? Whatever you have gone through, if things are not in your favor right now, do not give up, okay? You have given your best. You do not have to, chase anymore. You can just wait and watch for the situations, how they turn out. Okay, so just the basic thing is don't give up. Just wait and watch. Okay, that's the guidance. Things will definitely work out in your favor, as the outcome is saying. So things are going to be very positive for you by end of May, and there will be emotional support, healing, and you need to take care of your emotions. Basically you might get some positive news, some positive communication might come in. You might meet somebody who can make you feel happy, and maybe as at the shadow there was an old friend, right? So maybe you might get in touch with some of your old friend or colleague who might make you feel emotionally emotionally positive or good basically about yourself as well. So that's the reading for Aries. Okay guys, if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.